Each of your portable bandsaw's wheels have a tire attached to them. The tires are made of rubber, which provides good traction to drive the blade. Over time, the tire will wear down from contact with abrasive metal shavings. The tire can also crack due to age. Replacing the tire is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pulley cover to make the tire easier to access. Now that I have access to the tire, I can go ahead and remove it. I'll use a small screwdriver to get under the tire and then pry it away from the pulley. And now I can install the new tire. I'll line up the notches on the wheel with the recesses on the tire. And I'll work the tire onto the wheel. And now reinstall the guard. And that's how easy it is to replace the blade pulley tire. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.